The world of snakes is truly fascinating. Among these, cobras stand out with a unique, almost regal presence. Their iconic hoods and potent venom command respect, and often fear. These serpents have captivated human imagination for centuries. They appear in myths, legends, and art across many cultures. Understanding them helps us appreciate their role in nature. We begin a journey into their world. Within this distinguished family of snakes, one reigns supreme. This is the magnificent King Cobra. It is a snake that inspires awe unlike any other. The King Cobra is not just another member of the Cobra group. It possesses traits that set it distinctly apart from its many relatives. Its sheer size, its specialized diet, and its remarkable intelligence are legendary. We will explore these unique characteristics in detail. This exploration will reveal why it earns its majestic title. Many different types of cobras inhabit our planet. Each species is wonderfully adapted to its own specific environment. From the forests of Asia to the savannas of Africa, these snakes thrive. They showcase a remarkable range of sizes, colors, and behaviors. Our focus today is to understand the King Cobra better. Prepare to discover the truths about these incredible animals. The venom of the King Cobra is a powerful weapon. It is primarily neurotoxic, attacking the nervous system of its prey. A single bite can deliver a very large amount of venom. The King Cobra can inject several milliliters in one go. This sheer volume is often enough to subdue very large animals. Even an elephant has been known to succumb to a King Cobra's bite. The venom works by paralyzing the respiratory muscles, leading to suffocation. While incredibly potent, the King Cobra's venom is not the most toxic drop for drop. Some other snakes, like certain sea snakes or the inland taipan, have more concentrated toxins. However, the King Cobra compensates with the massive quantity it injects. This makes it one of the deadliest snakes in the world. Now let us consider the Egyptian Cobra, also known as. Its venom is also highly neurotoxic, designed to quickly incapacitate its prey. The Egyptian Cobra's bite can be fatal to humans if untreated. Comparing the two, the King Cobra's venom delivery system is on a grander scale. The sheer volume it can inject gives it an edge in terms of overall lethality per bite. The Egyptian Cobra's venom is still exceptionally dangerous. Both snakes possess venom that demands utmost respect. They are marvels of evolutionary engineering. The King Cobra exhibits fascinating and unique behaviors. Perhaps most notably, it is primarily ophiophagous, meaning its diet consists mainly of other snakes. This specialized diet sets it apart from most other cobras. King Cobras are also known for their remarkable intelligence. They display keen eyesight and can track their prey over long distances. They are active hunters, rather than ambush predators. Another unique behavior is nest building. The female King Cobra is the only snake species known to build a nest for her eggs. She gathers leaves and twigs, creating a mound. This mound provides protection and helps regulate temperature for the developing eggs. She will then guard this nest fiercely until the eggs are close to hatching. In contrast, the Egyptian Cobra has a more generalized diet. It typically preys on small mammals, birds, eggs, lizards, and amphibians. The Egyptian Cobra is often more crepuscular or nocturnal. It tends to be more reclusive than the King Cobra. When threatened, both species exhibit the classic cobra hooding. The King Cobra, however, can raise up to a third of its body off the ground. It also emits a low-frequency hiss, often described as a growl. The Egyptian Cobra also hisses and may make mock strikes. Size is a defining characteristic of the King Cobra. It holds the title of the world's longest venomous snake. Adult King Cobras typically average between 3 to 4 meters or 10 to 13 feet in length. However, they can grow much larger. Exceptional individuals have been recorded at lengths exceeding 5.5 meters or 18 feet. This incredible size gives the King Cobra a significant advantage. It can overpower large prey and deter potential predators. Its length also contributes to its majestic appearance. The sheer mass of a large King Cobra is also considerable. An adult can weigh 6 kilograms or 13 pounds or even more. This bulk, combined with its length, makes it a powerful constrictor, although it relies on venom. The Egyptian Cobra, while a large and impressive snake, is smaller than the King Cobra. Adult Egyptian Cobras typically range from 1.5 to 2 meters, or 5 to 6.5 feet, in length. Some individuals may reach up to 2.5 meters, or 8 feet. This is certainly a respectable size for a cobra. However, when compared directly to the King Cobra, the size difference is quite significant. King cobras are primarily found in the dense forests of South and Southeast Asia. They prefer environments with thick undergrowth and high rainfall. These habitats include rainforests, mangrove swamps, and bamboo thickets. Proximity to water such as streams or rivers is also common in their chosen territories. They are skilled climbers and swimmers. Their geographical range extends from India and Nepal across to southern China, and south through countries like Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, and the Philippines. The specific requirements of the king cobra's habitat are linked to its lifestyle. Dense vegetation provides cover for hunting and for their nests. The abundance of other snakes in these regions provides a ready food source. The warm, humid climate is also ideal for these large reptiles. However, habitat loss due to deforestation and human encroachment is a significant threat. The Egyptian cobra, on the other hand, thrives in a different set of environments. It is predominantly found across much of Africa, north of the Sahara, and in parts of the Middle East. Its preferred habitats include savannas, grasslands, semi-desert regions, and scrublands. Unlike the king cobra, it is often found in drier areas. It is also quite adaptable. A common question arises when discussing the king cobra. People often wonder if there is a queen cobra, perhaps a mate or a similar regal counterpart to the king. However, the simple truth is that there is no scientifically recognized species called the queen cobra. The term king cobra does not imply a royal pairing in the animal kingdom. It is a name bestowed for other compelling reasons. The name king cobra actually refers to its impressive attributes. Its sheer size, making it the longest venomous snake, contributes to this royal moniker. Furthermore, its diet plays a crucial role. As we have discussed, king cobras primarily eat other snakes. This behavior of preying on its own kind, including other cobras, led to the king designation. The name reflects its ecological niche as an apex predator among snakes. The regal appearance of the king cobra also adds to its majestic title. Its ability to raise a significant portion of its body, its intelligent gaze, and its distinctive hood all contribute. So, while the idea of a queen cobra might be romantic, it remains in the realm of folklore. The king cobra stands alone in its royal designation within the snake world. The Egyptian cobra, scientifically known as, is a truly iconic serpent. It holds significant cultural importance, particularly in ancient Egypt. It is widely believed to be the snake represented by the uraeus. The uraeus was the stylized, upright form of an Egyptian cobra. It was used as a symbol of sovereignty, royalty, deity, and divine authority in ancient Egypt. This snake was associated with the goddess Wadjet. It was seen as a protective emblem for the pharaohs. Its image adorned their crowns and regalia. This species is a large and impressive member of the genus, the true cobras. As mentioned, adults typically reach lengths of 1.5 to 2 meters. They possess a potent neurotoxic venom. This venom is capable of causing paralysis and death if a bite is left untreated. The Egyptian cobra is responsible for a significant number of snakebite incidents in its range. This is partly due to its adaptability. It often lives in close proximity to human agricultural areas and settlements. Caution is always advised in regions where it is found. The diet of the Egyptian cobra is quite varied. Let us imagine a hypothetical scenario. What if a king cobra and an Egyptian cobra were to meet and engage in conflict? Such encounters are unlikely in the wild. Their natural geographic ranges do not overlap. The king cobra resides in Asia. The Egyptian cobra is found in Africa and the Middle East. However, considering their respective attributes can provide insight into their capabilities, the king cobra would enter such a contest with several significant advantages. Its most obvious advantage is its sheer size and length. A large king cobra could be more than twice as long as an adult Egyptian cobra. This size difference translates to greater reach, more power, and a more intimidating presence. The king cobra's primary diet of other snakes also means it is highly experienced in ophidian combat. It knows how to subdue other venomous snakes. The king cobra's ability to raise a significant portion of its body high off the ground also gives it a superior vantage point. The Egyptian cobra is certainly no easy opponent. However, against the specialized snake hunter that is the king cobra, its chances would be slim. Throughout this exploration, we have seen the remarkable differences between these cobras. The king cobra stands apart due to its immense size. Its specialized diet of other snakes is also a key distinction. Its unique nest-building behavior further highlights its uniqueness. These traits truly earn it the title of king. It is a monarch in its forested realms of South and Southeast Asia. Its presence shapes the ecosystems it inhabits. The Egyptian cobra, while smaller and with a more generalist diet, is equally fascinating. It is a powerful predator in its African and Middle Eastern domains. Its cultural significance, particularly in ancient Egypt, adds another layer to its story. Both the King Cobra and the Egyptian cobra possess potent venom. Both command respect and caution. They are apex predators in their respective environments. Understanding these distinctions allows for a deeper appreciation of each species. Each cobra, whether it's the king, the Egyptian, or any other, plays a vital role. They contribute to the balance of their ecosystems. Their survival is important.